interpreter led him to a very dark room where a man sat in an iron cage. The man to look upon was very sad. He sat with his eyes looking down to the ground. His hands were folded together. He sighed as if he would break his heart. What does this mean, Mr. Interpreter? Why don't you talk to the man? What are you? I am what I was not once. What were you once? I was once a fan flourishing professor, both in my own eyes and the eyes of others. I once thought I was fair for the celestial city, and had even joy at the thoughts that I should get there. But what are you now? I am now a man of despair, and am shut up in it as in this iron cage. I cannot get out, no I cannot. But how did you come into this condition? I left off to watch and be sober. I laid the reins upon the neck of my lust. I sinned against the light of the word and the goodness of God. I have grieved the Spirit and He is gone. I tempted the devil and He is come to me. I provoked God to anger and He has left me. I so hardened my heart that I cannot repent. Is there no hope for a man such as you, but that you keep yourself in this iron cage? No, none at all. Why, the Son of the Blessed is very pitiful. I have crucified Him to myself afresh. I have despised His person. I have despised His righteousness, and I have counted His blood unholy thing. I have done despite to the Spirit of grace. Therefore I have shut myself out of all promises. There now remains to me nothing but threatenings, dreadful threatenings, fearful threatenings of certain judgment and fiery indignation, which shall devour me as an adversary. For what did you bring yourself into this condition? For the lusts, pleasures, and profits of this world, and the enjoyments of which I did promise myself much dear alive. But now every one of these things bites me and gnaws me like a burning one. But can't you repent and turn to the Lord of heaven and earth? God has denied me repentance. His word gives me no encouragement to believe. Yea, Himself has shut me up in this iron cage. Nor can all the men in the world let me out. Oh eternity, oh eternity, how shall I grapple with the misery that I must meet within eternity? Oh, then the interpreter said unto Christian, let this man's misery be a caution to you. Truly this is a fearful thing, oh my Father in heaven, please help me to watch and be sober, and to pray that I never come into such a dreadful condition. Oh yeah, yeah, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Oh, yeah. Greater is he that is in you than he that is in the world. Jesus said, lo, I am with you always, even unto the end of the age.